Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Fudge Bar Graham. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, ½ cup of melted butter, and ¼ cup of granulated sugar for the crust. For the fudge layer, have ready 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1 can of evaporated milk, and 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Having everything measured out makes the process much smoother. Now, let's create the perfect base for our fudge bars. In a medium bowl, combine your graham cracker crumbs, the ½ cup of melted butter, and the ¼ cup of granulated sugar. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until they are well combined and resemble wet sand. Then, press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of your 9x 13-inch baking pan. Bake this crust in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes, just until it's lightly golden. With our crust ready, it's time for the star of the show, the rich fudge layer. In a saucepan, combine your 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and the can of evaporated milk. Heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until the chocolate chips are completely melted and the mixture is smooth. Remove it from the heat and gradually whisk in the 1½ cups of powdered sugar until there are no lumps. Immediately pour this warm, velvety fudge evenly over your baked graham cracker crust. Finally, let's finish these delightful treats. Place the pan back into your 350 degree Fahrenheit oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the fudge layer is set and slightly firm. Once baked, let the bars cool completely at room temperature, then transfer them to the refrigerator to chill for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial for clean, easy cutting. Slice them into squares and enjoy your homemade Fudge Bar Graham. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.